Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this Ryzen 5800 XT processor. I bought this because of the extreme value. All right, I believe this will just be the processor, but let's double check. Yep, processor, you get your instruction booklet and some stickers, all right? And this should be what most AMD processors come with, is the fan. And let me tell you, the fans on these, as you can see here, the stock cooling that comes with the XT itself, very significant. I have the 5600 and the cooler isn't nearly this big. This is the Wraith cooler. I think AMD does a great job of providing very sufficient cooling. I've even overclocked like my previous AMDs with the stock coolers that they are provided, and they are pretty good. They're pretty good. Cannot complain about those. So this is what you get. I'm gonna stop this video now, and I'll post another video once I'm done. I'm gonna benchmark the CPU, and I'll post that as well for you guys to watch to see how it compares and how it stacks up against other processors, guys. Hope this was informative. I do a lot of video editing, and I currently have an AMD 5600, which is a 6-core, 12-thread processor. This one is going to jump it up from 8 cores to 16 threads, and it should be a significant jump from the 5600, especially when in CPU-heavy tasks. This thing should blow it out of the park. So this is basically an overclocked, from my understanding, an overclocked 5800X. It came out last year. It's about another, I think, 100 megahertz they added on, 100 or 2 on each side. But here, I'll give you a quick unboxing. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera, guys. Quick unboxing and just show you guys what you guys are gonna get. I also, just so you guys are aware, I did buy this as a open box item, but this looks like everything is here. First of all, you're gonna get your processor.